Hello guys, it's your week 5 and it's going to be abdominals today. So it's la semaine 5 et c'est vos abdominaux. On va travailler sur les abdominaux. Okay, are we ready? We've got my favorite which is the ball. On va travailler avec mon préféré, le ballon. And we're going to start having the ball on your lower back. So lower back here. And I'm going to actually lie down. Je vais complètement m'allonger sur le ballon aujourd'hui. Voilà. So put yourself comfortable on the lower back. Pressing on the lower back. And I'm going to move my glutes side to side. Je vais légèrement bouger de chaque côté. So I'm really pressing around. Je fais des petits cercles et je reviens. Good. Okay. Feet in parallel to start with. So you see whatever feels comfortable for you. Abdominals engage. Je vais travailler au niveau des abdominaux. And I'm going to lift one leg up and then reach down. I'm keeping the same side, the same leg. Je vais travailler sur la même jambe. Je ramène le genou et je redescends. I'm inhaling and I'm exhaling. So what I'm really doing here, I'm pressing into my lower abdominals. And I have to think about it to do it. Je veux vraiment qu'on pense à appuyer contre le ballon. Et on appuie très très fort le bas du dos et tout de suite, boum, ça va fonctionner au niveau des abdominaux profonds. And then I'm going to change side, change leg. You might find a difference between both of your sides. Now come up, so I'm pressing my lower back down to make sure that my deep abdominals working. And down. I'm trying to lengthen the back of my neck by keeping my chin in, not here, in here. Press that ball. So I'm trying to tuck under. This way I'm really working on my lower abdominal. And come back very slowly. Good. Now I'm still pressing and I'm going to swap leg. Je vais de l'autre côté maintenant. Je change de jambe et je vais étirer cette jambe. I'm going to lengthen that leg, but I'm pressing down into my lower back now. And then you bring it back. And extend. As I'm extending, press. Dès que j'étire la jambe, j'appuie très très fort au niveau du bas du dos. Donc, je travaille davantage au niveau des abdominaux profonds. Press. And that is a great way to be working on abdominals and it does not go into your lower back. Donc, on travaille vraiment les abdominaux profonds et ça va pas au niveau du dos. So it's really safe. That's what I meant. And come back. We swap side. On va de l'autre côté. Je monte. J'étire. Maintenant, quand j'étire, je fais très attention et j'appuie sur le ballon. Et je ramène. J'appuie très fort et je ramène. So I'm really pressing into that ball as I'm extending. And you know, this exercise, you don't have to go fast. And actually, when you go fast, you're not working on it. Now, right now, just lengthening my legs, much harder, isn't it? And come back and reach down. Good. You can move your hips side to side. Je vais bouger le bassin de chaque côté. And now this time, I'm going to press down and I'm going to bring one leg. Then I'm going to extend it, and then this leg is opening to the side slightly. Donc, je vais ouvrir légèrement la jambe sur le côté et je vais la ramener au milieu pour la ramener complètement. We're going down, same leg. We're going up, extend, open, come back, in, and down, same leg. La même jambe, on ramène. J'étire la jambe, j'appuie au niveau du dos. J'ouvre la jambe, là c'est beaucoup plus difficile au niveau des abdominaux et je ramène la jambe, je ramène le genou, je descends et je remonte le même pied. J'étire la jambe, j'ouvre sur le côté. Par contre, je fais attention de l'autre côté. I'm really careful with the other sides not to follow that leg. Bring it back, reach and reach down completely. We go to the other leg, de l'autre côté maintenant, l'autre jambe. Je ramène, j'étire la jambe, j'ouvre la jambe. Attention, on appuie sur le ballon. On ramène la jambe, je ramène le genou et je redescends. We do the same leg as well. We extending the leg. Now open. As you're opening, you're pressing down into that ball. And then bring it back. Reach and reach down. And up again. Extend the leg. Open. Come back. Reach back. Reach down. Lift. Extend. Open. Back. And reach back again. Allez, le dernier maintenant. Je monte, j'étire, j'appuie au niveau du ballon quand j'étire la jambe. J'ouvre sur le côté. Je ramène et je le ramène complètement. Woo! Okay, we're moving side to side. Now, I'm going to place my hands on the ball. So I'm going to move the ball further away. And I'm going to lift up. I'm going to keep my feet in parallel. Je garde les pieds en parallèle, je bouge légèrement le ballon, je le tiens avec les mains et je lève. Donc je travaille les fessiers. Then from here, I'm going to reach down and lift. Down and lift. J'essaie de pousser mes fessiers du ballon. Je descends et je remonte. Dès que je touche le ballon, je remonte. Je descends, je remonte. Je descends, je remonte. Je descends, je remonte, je reste. I'm staying here. Now I'm going to bring my feet closer because I'm going to lift one ear. Now, if at home this is too much or you've got back problem, you do not do one leg. Quand on a des problèmes de dos, on ne fait pas juste une jambe. Les deux jambes seront par terre. Then we go down and we swap side. I'm trying to lift up my bum. J'essaye de lever les fessiers plus haut. And lift. And down. And lift. C'est pas facile. Hein? On croit que c'est facile jusqu'au moment où on a un gros ballon. Si vous avez un petit ballon de rien du tout, ça va. Mais s'il est plus gros, c'est plus difficile. If you've got a big ball, it's much harder. I'm not saying my one is big, but I do feel it. And come back, relax. I'm going to remove the ball and I'm going to reach down. And then you're going to go side to side, releasing tension. Side to side. Now, I don't need the ball. J'ai plus besoin du ballon. Je vais le mettre de l'autre côté. Je vais aller sur le côté. Je vais faire des petits cercles. We're going to make circles here. This is really good to be working on your obliques as well. And other side, de l'autre côté. And then reaching back down. Okay, are we ready to work? I'm going to ask you to lengthen the legs now. You're going to place your hands behind your head. On va placer les mains derrière la tête. Maintenant, je vais vraiment étirer les coudes sur le côté. So I'm going to really open my elbows to the side. Open, 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 and then reach down. So you're going to lift up as you're reaching the lower back down and come back. Donc je vais remonter légèrement et j'appuie le bas du dos quand je remonte. And come back. Elbows to the side. And come up. It's like somebody's keeping my elbows. Then we staying in neutral position. Maintenant, on va changer. On va rester dans la position neutre, c'est-à-dire je n'appuie pas le dos au sol. I'm not pressing into my lower back. Stay here. Elbows to the side. Come up. Slide your ribs down to your pocket. That's it. I've got a natural curve in my back. I keep it. Good. Stay. On reste là. I'm going to extend one arm, then the other arm. J'étire un bras, ensuite l'autre, and then I come back down. Good. Then, as I'm going to lift up, and remember, you're lifting up from your shoulders. On va soulever à partir des épaules, pas la tête. Je ne tire pas sur la tête. I'm not pulling on my neck. Elbows to the side, okay? So, reach here. I'm going to lift one leg up. And then reach back. And then swap side. And reach back. Now, your lower back can touch the floor. It's completely fine. Maintenant, le bas du dos peut toucher par terre, bien sûr. And reach. And back. And reach. And back. Now, we're going to do the same, but hands down. Lift. And back. On fait la même chose, mais avec la tête par terre. Now, lift and stay. Come up. We're going to stretch it. Come up here. On étire la jambe si on peut. I'm really lengthening behind my knee. And I'm going to move my ankle joint. Je vais travailler au niveau de la cheville. Flex, point, circle. And lift even more. And come down. On change de côté. Come up here, straight, come up, grab it. You're going to go flex, point. On fait des petits cercles avec les chevilles, avec la cheville, de l'autre côté. Then, ramène la jambe au niveau de la tête and let it go. Good. Now, you're going to place your hands behind your head again. This time, you're going to bend your knees, and we're going to do the same. So lift here, neutral position this time, because our feet are on the floor. Maintenant, je peux aller en position neutre. Je suis en parallèle et les pieds par terre. Je lève un pied et je redescends. Je remonte et je change. And reach back down. And open, lift. And back. And lift. On remonte. Le prochain, on va étirer la jambe. So we're lifting it, and I'm lengthening. I'm still in neutral. And come back. You do not need to go into your imprinting if you don't have any back problem. Lift. Now, if you do have a back problem, it's different. But here, I'm still close chin. My foot is on the floor. Come back. And reach down. Now, if at home this is too much, of course you can go into imprinting. That means when your lower back is down on the floor. And reach, lift, extend, back, and lift, extend, back, and lift, extend, and back. And now, guys, we're going to go to the side. So we've done that, okay? So now we're going to put them together. So lift first. On va faire exactement la même chose quand on va sur le côté, mais maintenant on va les mettre ensemble. Donc je remonte, je suis en position neutre. J'étire le pied, j'ouvre sur le côté, je ramène tout et je redescends. Okay, we're lifting, neutral. Come up, extend the leg, open the legs to the side, don't move that knee, and bring it back together and reach down. I can tell you, you're going to have a flat tummy. Alors, je peux vous garantir le ventre plat. On ramène ici, on étire sur le côté. This is really difficult and it's really hard for your core. This is the best. Bring it back and reach down. Reach down completely. Lift up, lift, extend, open, close, and come back. Good. One more on each side. Lift, neutral position, still opening, bring it back, come back here, reach down. Beautiful. Last one, lift, neutral position, extend the leg, open, back, and come back here. Good. Okay, you can move your pelvis. On peut bouger légèrement le bassin. And now, we're going to lift up completely, neutral position, and then I'm going with one leg here, and I'm going to rotate. So we're going into a position now. We're going to work on obliques. And rotate here, and I'm going to go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6. You want that rotation, donc je tourne. It's not me touching just my knee, it's a nice rotation from the torso. If you want to see result, that's the way to do it. Si on veut voir du résultat, c'est la façon qu'il faut le faire. Et on redescend. On fait exactement la même chose de l'autre côté. We do exactly the same on the other side. Lift. Lift first, and then reach. And 2, and 3. So I'm really trying to rotate. It comes from your torso. And that's a whole difference. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, et on redescend. OK, de l'autre côté, on fait exactement la même chose. Allez, c'est parti. C'est le torso que je tourne. Donc, ce n'est pas juste toucher mon genou, je tourne au niveau du torso. Je tourne. And you're going to feel that. On va vraiment le sentir celui-là demain. Ah oui, smile. On sourit. Et on va de l'autre côté, on fait exactement la même chose. Allez, c'est parti. Oh. On y va. On se lève. On se lève. Et on revient. Et on lâche. Ah, OK. On ramène les genoux au niveau de la poitrine et on va faire des petits cercles. Pour protéger le bas du dos, we're going to make some circles to protect the lower back. It's like a little massage. And come back up using your core. You're going to come back up here. Okay, are we ready for the next one? Okay. Lengthening your spine to start with. Reach down and lengthen and reach down. On étire la colonne vertébrale et on redescend. On remonte et on redescend. Je vais étirer les jambes. I'm going to lengthen my legs and I'm going to flex my feet here. You want a nice straight back. Je veux la colonne vertébrale bien droite. Je fléchis les pieds, les mains sur le côté. Je vais aller sur le côté, your soul. And we're going 1, 2, and reach down, 2. So it's a modified one. We're going to the side and we go 1, 2, then go down. 1, 2, come back. Lengthen your spine first. On étire la colonne vertébrale avant d'aller sur le côté. On fait 1, 2, on redescend. 1, 2. Et on remonte. C'est pas la peine d'aller vite. On va de l'autre côté. 1, 2, et je descends. 1, 2, et je remonte. On étire la colonne vertébrale. Now we can go down completely. We're going 1, 2. Come back up. Lengthen your spine. Reach to the other side. And 1, 2. Come back. Come back here. Rotate. On remonte. On tourne de l'autre côté. Et 1, 2, et on remonte. Now we're going to place our hands in the middle. On va placer les mains au milieu et je vais redescendre. I'm opening the lower back and reach back up. Flex your feet. On fléchit les pieds et je redescends. Et je remonte. Et je redescends. Et je remonte. Feet together. And I'm going to extend my arms to the side, straight back. Je veux la colonne vertébrale bien droite et je vais aller encore sur le côté. Par contre, là, j'ai les pieds ensemble, les jambes ensemble et je fais la même chose. 1, 2. On revient au milieu, on étire la colonne vertébrale, on va de l'autre côté. 1, 2. And then I come back. Same thing, reach, reach. Come back to center. Reach, reach. Come back to center. Reach, reach. You can go further down each time. On peut améliorer les étirements à chaque fois qu'on le fait. Donc, on peut aller un petit peu plus en arrière à chaque fois. And come back here and reach down. Try to open the lower back. On ouvre le bas du dos. Et on descend. And here it's not about touching your feet. It's really about opening the lower back. On veut vraiment ouvrir le bas du dos. Et on revient tout doucement. Open the chest. Okay, sideways. Sideways, we're going to work on my favorite bit. Obliques, side abdominals. On va travailler sur la taille de Gebs, c'est mon préféré. Elbows on the side, knees together, and I'm going to lift up. It's your easy version. Là, c'est la version facile. Je suis au niveau du coude et je monte. Je monte ici. And then I'm going to extend the leg. Extend and lift. And 2. And 3. Push away from your elbow. I'm pushing away. Push. Je pousse au niveau du coude. If it's too hard, just keep your knees together and lift. And lift. And lift. And then we go back down. Good. Second set. On est parti pour le deuxième set. Alors là, il y a une variation. On peut avoir la main ici and then lift up. We can just have our hand up and reach. And 2. And 3. And 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. And I come back down. Je redescends. Allez, on peut faire mieux. We can extend the legs. The top leg is in front. Then I'm going to come here. Are we ready? So I'm bending my knees. Est-ce qu'on est prêt pour step number 3, pour la troisième étape? On remonte. We don't have to do that, by the way. And lift. And 2. And 3. And 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10 and come down. So now you've got 3 levels. You follow your level, okay? On a 3 niveaux et on choisit le niveau qui est plus adapté à notre corps. On est tous différentes. Au niveau du coude, pour commencer les genoux pliés, on remonte. C'est le premier niveau. Des petits battements où on peut étirer celle-là et on monte. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Je redescends. Le deuxième, c'est sur la main. Sur la main, les genoux pliés. Pareil, on monte. Maintenant, c'est au niveau des hanches. You understood that it's here. It's your hips that you're working. On travaille au niveau de la taille. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back, reach down. Are we ready? On y va. Étape numéro 3. La jambe d'en haut est devant. Le bras est étiré. Boum! On peut avoir la main ici ou on va l'avoir ici aujourd'hui. Allez, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On reste là, on ramène le corps devant. We are in our plank position. Stay here, open the chest. Et on est dans la position, la planche. Et je vais en avant et en arrière. En avant et en arrière, je travaille les abdos. Je remonte les fessiers. I'm going to lift up my bum. And nice, beautiful stretch. Head between my arms and I'm really pressing away. I'm really pressing away. J'ai la tête entre les bras et j'essaye d'avoir les talons par terre. Then I come back into my plank. Je reviens au niveau position la planche. On inspire, on expire et on remonte. Je remonte. And you're going to see that each time it's a little bit better. À chaque fois, c'est un tout petit peu mieux. The main thing is not to give up, really. And come back very slowly. And I think as well, a lot of people go too fast. Beaucoup de personnes vont trop vite. Et ça sert à rien. Press on your hands. And the third time, come on, it's a nice one, isn't it? Now it's better. You can actually even lift up one leg if you want. And then reach down. Si on veut, on peut monter un pied en l'air. We should feel so much better now. Now, bend the knees. Bring it back. Here, knees over the mat. Maintenant, mes genoux, ils sont légèrement au-dessus du tapis. And relax. Oh. And then you can go into your child pose, yeah? Okay. Wasn't that bad, was it? On va ramener les mains en arrière. On inspire. On expire. Et on remonte. Good. We're coming back here. All right. Here, you're going to reach to the side. Beautiful stretch. Push away from your hip. So I'm really going down into my hip. Beautiful stretch. And come back. On va de l'autre côté. On fait exactement la même chose. Là, j'étire vraiment au niveau du côté. Oh, je le sens bien celui-là. And by the way, stretches, you can hold them as long as you want to. It doesn't have to be just like 2 seconds because we don't have time. Take your time. Breathe. On prend son temps. Ça n'a pas besoin d'être les 2 secondes qu'on fait ici. On prend son temps. On revient et on va de l'autre côté de nouveau. Et on peut aider en attrapant le poignet et en tirant davantage. So I'm really helping by just grabbing my wrist and by pulling it. Et on revient. On va de l'autre côté. On fait exactement la même chose. On revient. All right, we're going to finish with our favorite, the cat, isn't it? Okay, position the cat. Open the chest. Open. And reach back down. And come back again. Lift. And back. On inspire, je monte la tête, je monte les fessiers et je retourne. Now contract your abdominals. You're going to extend one leg and your opposite arm and lift it. Maintenant, on va étirer une jambe et le bras opposé. Et on redescend. And we do the same on the other side. Reach. And we come back. Et on revient. On fait la même chose. On étire le bras, on étire la jambe. On n'a pas besoin d'aller trop haut. J'aime bien le garder au niveau de la hanche ou de l'épaule. So I'm not going too high. I like to keep it to the same level as my hip or my shoulder. This way it does not go into my back. And come back. And again, 2 more on each side. Come back. And back here, good. Now my favorite, hands together, open, reach up. Oh, I love this one. Such a beautiful one. Working on your breathing, inhaling, exhaling. You can reach down, head down on the floor and try to reach your arms over. Maintenant, je mets la tête par terre et je vais prendre les deux mains ensemble et les monter. So I'm really trying to stretch it. On étire, on étire. Et on revient. Take your time, especially if you feel a bit dizzy. Relaxing your shoulders. Good. Wasn't that bad, was it? Reach to the side. Ça va, c'était pas terrible. C'était bien, non? On ramène. Relaxing your shoulders. And well done, guys. So you've done such a great job. I'm so proud of you. Bien joué, les filles. Vous avez fait du bon travail. Je sais que c'est pas évident. Alors, je vais vous souhaiter de passer un très, très bon week-end et je vous vois la semaine prochaine. I'm asking you to have a wonderful weekend and I will see you next week. And by the way, next week I'll be in Kuwait, so I will be filming in Kuwait. So I'll see you soon. Bye for now.